Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum viewers. In this beautiful universe created by Allah Almighty, where there are sun, moon, stars and planets, there are many other forces in space, namely black holes and white holes. So viewers, today we will tell you about the comparison of the two great parts in space, namely the black hole and the white hole. A black hole swallows even all large objects. A white hole does not allow anything to enter it. Black hole is a region in space-time. Its gravity force is so high that even light, like particles and electromagnetic radiation, cannot enter it. The speed of light cannot go beyond the black hole. The speed of light is 300,000 kilometers per second, but it's much slower than coming out. Nothing that goes into a black hole comes back. White hole is the hypothetical region of space-time into which nothing can go, but the white hole throws out what is inside in it in the form of light. White hole is a mathematical concept. The white hole depends on the advice of scientists and researchers. It may or may not exist because there is no solid evidence of a white hole. Also, the forces in space can swallow asteroids, stars, planets, tiny particles, and even light. The idea was given by John Michael in 1784. In 1915, Albert Einstein also announced its existence in mathematical equation, but Michael said that this power can only be tested by the powers within it. Scientists then begin searching for the black hole. The Messrs 87 Galactic Center unveiled accurate images of the black hole on April 10, 2019, calling it a victory for scientists. The white hole was described by Russian cosmologist Igor Novikov in 1964, but there is no evidence. But just as a black hole exists, so too white hole will soon be known. A black hole has a mass, electrical charge, and angular momentum. Nothing that goes into it comes out. White hole also has a mass, electrical charge, and angular momentum, but it throws out the thing inside. If we try to find out what's inside the black hole and what's inside the white hole, none of us know. If we think that if there is a fight between the two, then who will win? Then it is certain that the black hole will win. Black hole swallows things and the white hole throws things out. This way, the black hole will swallow the white hole. So the viewers, thank you for watching this video.
Subscribe in Dominant World and press the bell icon for more informative videos.